So, these are the little ones, guys. Welcome back to my channel. And this is the newbies. Okay, so in there are like 6 of them. Alright, and then down here, Sky have hers in there. I just put the little one back in there. It was hers, so it's like 4 of them in there. See the little one I just put back? That's the little one I just put back. Okay. She's sending me kisses with her eyes. We do this sweet eye thing. She blinks with me. And I send her kisses. Sky was my very first bird. So now let's go back up because this is the biggest nest right now. And you see the little one over there? Oh my God. Yeah, so they're chilling. When I get my other cage, I'm gonna have to try to recreate this type of setting because this was made for me. Yeah, you're sending me kisses. Love you too. Love you more. So that's Cloudy. So I will have to recreate this setting. So no one is in the second apartment, as you can see. I love you too. Okay, those are the mommies. All right, bye for now.